Hi guys, I'm Mel. Today we're going to be filming a YouTube... Hi guys, I'm Mel. Today I'm going to be doing a hair tutorial for you guys. My daughter Maddie's joining me. We're going to do this waterfall braid messy bun hairdo. So if you guys are interested in learning how to do it, go ahead and stay tuned. Okay, so we're going to start with a deep side part on her hair. And then we're just going to take a little section off the top. This is a lot like a French braid. So we start with a little section. We're going to split it in three. Split it in three. I'm going to bring the front strand around the middle and the back strand around the middle. And then the front strand, we're going to add a little hair to it. Then it's going to go over the middle, and the back one's going to go over the middle. Now the very back strand, we're going to pin back. Then we're going to pick up some hair, and that becomes our back strand again. Now the front goes over the middle, pick up some hair, and the back goes over the middle, and now we drop that new back piece. Pick up some hair, that becomes our back piece again since we dropped it or pinned it back. Pick up some hair for the front, front goes over the middle, back goes over the middle, and then we pin back the back piece. We're going to do this all the way down until the top of the ear. These are each section that we're pinning back. Pick up a new piece, front over middle, and add hair to it just like a French braid. The only difference between this and a French braid is we're going to drop that back piece every time and pin it up. So front goes over the middle, back goes over the middle, and then we pin back the back piece. Now when we get to the top of the ear, I pinned the last one back and I picked up the last piece of hair. We're just going to braid all the way down to the end of this hair here. Okay, when we get to the end, we're just going to tie it with a little clear elastic. When we're done tying this off, we're going to pull the braid out a little, just to give it a little thickness. Just kind of starting above the ear, just kind of pull each side out just a little, just to give it a little thickness. You'll see what we're going to do with this after we do the bun. And then we're going to put it up in a bun. Turn it sideways. So just put this all up in a ponytail. You can have it down low in the back, or you can have it kind of high. I like them a little bit higher. You kind of want to make sure that these little pieces are going straight back, just so when it's up in this bun you're going to be able to see each little waterfall piece. So go ahead and tie it off in a pony. You can kind of pull pieces out right now to loosen it up before we get the bun going. Ease this ponytail up a little bit before we get started on it. So just kind of back comb it. Then we're going to take a section of hair, just about this big. We're going to split it in two. Make sure they're teased up good. So split this hair in two. And we're going to twist it around each other. And then we're going to kind of pull the twist up to the top. Just pull it kind of fat. Then I just take that piece and we're going to place it where we want it as our bun and pin it as we go. Her hair's so long, I kind of have to go around the ponytail to get the pins in. If you have shorter hair, might be a little bit easier. Just pin those back. And that's all we're going to do is keep making little sections. Split it in two. Twist them around each other. And just kind of scrunch it up. Make it kind of fat. And then pin it. Now, this braid is going to come into play. So we're going to take this braid, just spread it out a little bit more still. We're going to take this braid and it's just going to pin all the way around the bun. Now if your bun or your hair is shorter, it's obviously not going to go all the way around the bun. So you just pin it however far it goes around and hide the end. Hide the end up underneath. There you have it. Nice messy bun with this waterfall braid in the front. And then I just kind of go around the front and I pull out little wispies around the face. And there you go. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed that tutorial. If you did, alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that tutorial, and if you did, give it a big thumbs up for me. Subscribe to my channel for more videos, and don't forget, Maddie has her own channel now. It is Mads, M-A-D-Z. She'll be doing some fun challenge and just some fun videos, so go ahead and subscribe to her channel too. Alright, I'll see you next time.